In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Revolut to Wise. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on Add Money from your Wise home screen. And in here, you are going to enter the amount that you want to add. And I'm in the European Union, so I'm going with Euro. And right now, I'm going to change paying with to a simple bank transfer. And you can basically select what you want, but simple bank transfer should be available for you. This has 0 fees, so this is really handy. And right now we can click on continue. And in here, we're going to select our bank's country. And my bank's country is in the Netherlands, so I am able to click on Netherlands in here. But if your country is not listed, then you need to select manual bank transfer down below. And when you click on this, you will get some details. With those details, you can do the following. And for that, we need to go to our Revolut app. And in our Revolut app, we're going to click on payments. Right now, we're going to click on the top right plus icon. And in here, we're going to click on bank recipient. And in this screen, you're going to enter the information that Wise gave you by clicking on manual bank transfer. And when you do that, you will eventually add your money from Revolut to Wise. But let's say your bank country is listed. And for that, we're going back to our Wise app. And in my case, I'm going for Netherlands. And in here, you're going to select Revolut. And in my case, it is Revolut Netherlands. And right now, we're going to click on continue. And now you will be redirected to Revolut, where you can finalize your transfer. And that is how you transfer money from Revolut to Wise.